Analyzing buy box rotation and price history is one of the most important skills in online arbitrage. In 2026, competition on marketplaces like Amazon is intense, and understanding how pricing and the buy box work can make the difference between consistent profits and unpredictable sales. Let's start with the buy box. The buy box is the area on a product listing where customers click Add to Cart. On Amazon, more than 80% of sales happen through the buy box. That means whoever holds it sells the majority of units, but the buy box doesn't belong to one seller. It rotates among eligible sellers based on pricing, fulfillment method, and account performance. To analyze buy box rotation, use Keepa. Keepa's buy box data shows when and how often the buy box changes between sellers. A steady rotation between multiple sellers usually indicates a healthy listing where competition is balanced. If the buy box is dominated by one seller or the brand itself, that's a warning sign. Getting consistent sales on that listing may be difficult. The key is to identify listings with stable, fair rotation. These are listings where the buy box cycles between FBA sellers who price competitively and ship quickly. Avoid listings where the buy box rarely rotates, as these are often controlled by brands or private label sellers. Next, price history. Price trends reveal whether a product's profitability is sustainable. On Keepa, the orange line represents the product's price history, while the green line tracks sales rank. When the orange line stays steady over time, it means pricing is stable and demand is consistent. But if you see large price drops followed by sharp increases, that usually means high competition and temporary price wars. For example, if a product's price drops significantly during holiday seasons but recovers afterward, that's normal seasonality. But if prices keep trending downward for months, it may signal market saturation. Learning to interpret these patterns helps you decide when to buy, how much to stock, and when to avoid risky products. Another key factor is Amazon's own presence. If the blue shaded area on Keepa shows Amazon in stock frequently, proceed with caution. When Amazon sells the same product, they usually control the buy box, making it hard for third-party sellers to compete. Look for listings where Amazon is absent or only occasionally in stock. Combining buy box analysis with price history gives you the full profitability picture. For example, a listing with stable buy box rotation among several sellers and a consistent price history is a low-risk, high-predictability opportunity. On the other hand, a listing with erratic rotation and volatile prices may deliver short-term profit but long-term instability. Pro sellers also use alerts to stay informed. Keepa can notify you when a product's price drops below a target level or when Amazon goes out of stock, opening temporary buy box opportunities. These moments often lead to quick, profitable flips. In 2026, analyzing buy box rotation and price history isn't optional. It's essential. It transforms you from a reactive seller into a strategic one. When you understand how listings behave over time, you can make smarter sourcing decisions, avoid price wars, and maintain steady profits. Remember, every chart tells a story. Read the data, trust the patterns, and use these insights to position yourself where the buy box rotates in your favor. That's how professionals stay profitable in online arbitrage.